What's up there, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Axa. And of course, we're gonna talk... Oy!
Yaksan, may nagbigay na rin sa labas.
Ano yan?
Iwan ko, galing yata rin sa Nike. Sponsor yata.
What's up there, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, I just woke up and magandang gising. Kaka-breakfast lang din. So, you can see, meron tayong sponsor from Nike. What's up there, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Axa. And of course, we're gonna talk... Oy!
Yaksan, may nagbigay na rin sa labas.
Ano yan?
Iwan ko, galing yata rin sa Nike. Sponsor yata.
Sure.
Oo, tingnan mo, ang ganda yan.
Sure.
Balik na ako doon, kuya.
Nag-vlog ako eh.
Ano ba vlog ka ka?
Oo.
Shout out.
Shoutout kay Kaloka dyan.
Follow nyo yung channel ko ha. Follow ha. Ayan. Thank you.
Kuya.
Ay siya, rin ang i-vlog ko. Salamat,
Ayan ang
salamat.
iba-vlog mo.
Ay, iba data i-vlog ko
Ay, hindi
eh.
ko kita eh. Bigyan lang sa akin. Iwan ko lang.
Yun!
Kaya ka na.
Tuwa. Ano re? Alright, so medyo inano tayo ni Kaloka dyan. Kaloka dyan. Meron daw dumating Nike. First sponsor oh.
Uy, sana all.
Nike bro. Ano kaya to? Uy, saktong-sakto.
Wala ko lamesa eh.
Saktong-sakto yung size. 9.5 guys. Oh my God! Wow! Ayan oh. At ito pa. Ayan yung ano, sign. Ano sign? Ano sign? Ano to? Ano kayang sign to? What the fuck? Logo. Tingnan yung logo ha. Okay, unbox natin pa. Ready na kayo guys?
2,000 years later.
Aroy!
Wow!
Bro!
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Uy, Jordan. Adidas.
Jordan 11 to ha.
Paano masabi?
Bango.
Amoy bigas.
Galing ata to sa relief. Sakto-sakto naman.
Sana all.
9.5 guys. Jordan 11 breads. Kaya so mamaya mag-ano ako ng review tungkol dito sa shoes na to, no? So thank you so much Nike for the sponsor. Mukhang sa outlet to, Pops. Galing. Thank you. First sponsor. CAMOWN. This Jordan 11 features a black upper with shiny patent leather overlays and red detailing, a red translucent outsole, white midsole, and number 23 insignia on the heel complete the design. This sneakers was released last December 14, 2019 and had a retail price of $220 US. The Air Jordan 11 Bread 2019 is the holiday 2019 release of the iconic sneaker in one of its most beloved original colorways, the classic black and red or bread colorway as worn by Michael Jordan during his run to the 1996 NBA championship. The said shoes returned once again in 2019 in pure form. Premium black patent leather wraps around the base of the upper, while black ballistic nylon with leather at the ankle finishes the rest of the upper's construction. A white midsole, carbon fiber midfoot plate, and red translucent outsole with a black Jumpman and traction pods complete the iconic design that's essential for every Air Jordan collector. Nike COO Andy Campion shared that the launch of the Air Jordan 11 Bread was the largest in Nike's history, with the product selling out in 28 minutes, powered by the SNKRS app. The coveted sneaker was last year's holiday Jordan brand release, which is historically one of the brand's biggest drop of the year. The Air Jordan 11, Space Jam, and Concord set the benchmark in prior years. While Nike didn't disclose exact numbers, over 1 million pairs of the Nike Air Jordan 11 bread were rumored to have been produced, making the sellout time even more impressive. Alright, so that's a brief review of the Jordan 11 breads. If you want to know how much is the resale price of that Jordan 11, it's around 1,200 to 2,000 AED or dirhams. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Ayan, so yun nga po, no, about the Jordan 11 breads. Thank you so much for the sponsor. Ano yung bro? Ay.
Okay, may pupunta, susuotin ko sa
Nako!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Patapos ang review ko, bro, eh.
May
Kailangan mo ba?
Ako iniintay na
Ay siya.
So, pasensya na po.
Sabi mo
Parang may problema ka.
kasi Kuya Aksan, mabilis ka lang eh.
Yun.
Hindi mo naman
Ay,
sinabi.
sige, bro.
Ano pa?
Antay. Naku, nakuha pa.
Magkakagalit na panggawa ko, galit gitna pa lang ng Mayo.
Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha? Ha? Sasapakin ko yan.
Sa ano? Siya.
Sorry
Antay,
po,
tay.
sorry po.
Okay na. Thank you, bro.
Wala akong iba sa paso, sabi sa kabila.
Sorry, bro. Thank you. Salamat, tay. Oh. Nyak!
Mahal! Ay, tapos iano ko na yung part na bro. Ano, tapos ka na, bro? Palis ako eh. Yung gagayaw ka. Ha? Yan. Para. Yan.
Maganda yung inaabutan ka pa ng vlog. Ang ganda.
Kaya na ganun nga. Kunyari nag-ano pa ako specs ng fit lang. Pero meron din talagang yung totoong vlog na about sa shoes. Mahal! Mahal, okay lang? Ang kulit niya. Wala, umaandar pa pala.
Gago!